Sometimes, you might have created sticker packs in WhatsApp. A sticker pack lets you add your favorite stickers to a group, making them easy to find. Sometimes, you may have added stickers to your sticker pack, but if you want to add more stickers to that pack, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to add more stickers to your sticker pack in WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. Then, select any contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, you'll see a stickers button. Just click on it. Last here, you could see the stickers option. When you click on that, you'll see all your stickers. This is the sticker pack I've created. To add a new sticker, here's what you need to do: long press on that sticker. When you long press, you'll see an option to add to sticker pack. When you click on that, you'll see your already created sticker pack. I want to add the sticker to this pack, so I'm clicking on that name, and when you click on it, that sticker will be added to the sticker pack. This way, you can easily add stickers to any sticker pack in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.